They just didn't seem to fit right. Sometimes they would squeak, sometimes they would just fly open and close. The kids were slamming them, the dogs were scratching them. It was just time to take a look at refreshing the front of the house. When somebody pulled up, they saw these old doors. They were okay, but they just didn't work functionally very well either. We wanted to sort of have the showpiece. You pull up, you see the doors, wow. It was unbelievable. I expected it would take all day. It took nowhere near that. The quality of the work you can see is just absolutely dynamite. We thought that they were going to be here and take a lot of time and get in our space. They didn't do any of that. They were very quiet, very professional, asked us the questions that we had to give them answers to, and you just look at the final product. I couldn't be happier. What I noticed is they matched it perfectly. They told us what the color was going to be, and the color is exactly that. It changes the entire face of the house. Where it was dull and dingy before, now it's bright, fresh, new, and I just get the feeling this is going to last for a really long time. I would tell them to call Southwest Exteriors right now. I would say the experience has been unbelievable. They gave us the price, nothing changed, there was no pressure whatsoever. What they said was, do you want to do it? Take 30 days and let us know down the road. And they really just left us alone, which is unbelievable. In this business, I've seen other contractors, I've seen other people who do similar work, not as good, but they've always got some high pressure sales pitch. Let me call my manager. Let me go do a little dance in your kitchen. If I leave this room and go to that room, it's going to be $1,000 more. This wasn't that. This process was unbelievable. And if we chose not to do it, they would have been great. They would have said, fine, we respect your decision. I'm glad we did it though. The process has been amazing.